Hi, class. This is Dr. Miller. We are rapidly approaching the end of our course. We have a week and just a couple of days left. If you are missing any work from the class from weeks 1 through 6, submit as soon as possible. I'll be posting grades for week 6 no later than Thursday night. But let's spend a little bit of time looking at both week 7 and week 7.5 in this video. So first, in week 7.5, the focus is going to be finding jobs. You have your lecture material. Make sure that you are working through the interactive lecture, downloading the Word document version. Then you have your discussion. And your discussion for 7.5, we looked at finding yourself a job. Then we looked at if that is really what you want, a job. Are you looking for a career? Career options are many, but you need to know what you want before going after it. There will be work involved, but the payoff is tenfold when you do something you love. So when you are posting to this discussion, make sure you're focusing on these two prompts. First, describe how you will search for a job and tailor your resume to potential job opportunities. And then also explain your career skills you believe will set you apart from other candidates applying for a job. Again, participate early, no later than Wednesday. Respond to 3 classmates' initial posts. Look to make sure that look to see if anybody has responded on your post and participate over 3 separate days. Then we have your portfolio project. I am going to be posting another announcement about this because it is a big assignment. Okay. So your portfolio project, remember, it is, see if it's on here. No, nope, we aren't going to look there. I'm going to go ahead and close that. That is for your e-portfolio. So your portfolio assignment this week, it is a screen share video. I don't need to see you on the screen. I need you to be showing me your MyCred profile with a focus on those projects that you identified on your articulation worksheet in week 3. Each of those projects needs to be uploaded to your MyCred profile. You can transfer them from your ePortfolio to your MyCred profile. You want to do that. Then in this video, you are going to show me each project, tell me which outcome that project met, and how that project met that outcome. That is exactly what your grade is going to be based on. Did you upload it and did you explain it to me? How that project met the outcome that you tied it to, right? That is your grade for your final ePortfolio. Look for more information in another announcement. I'm going to have it broken down into very simple steps for you, but every single one of you can do this. Start it early. Make sure, go to the articulation worksheet. Make sure all those projects are in your MyCred profile. You can use that articulation worksheet where you gave that description as part of your script. You've done half of the work already. Now you just need to make that video for me. All right. Now, you can upload that video into YouTube. If you upload that video into YouTube, make sure the visibility is set to unlisted, right? If you have that visibility set to private, I can't open it and view it. But if you make it unlisted and give me the link, I can view it. Nobody else will be able to view it unless you give them the link. They can't search for it, right? Because it's unlisted. All right. If you need to submit that video in a different format for whatever reason, don't hesitate to reach out to me. so that we can discuss that. But I look forward to seeing everybody's videos. If you have any questions during the week, don't hesitate to reach out, and I will see you in the classroom in that discussion. Now, I did promise we would also talk about week 7.5 because we know there's a little bit of overlap. Week 7.5 will start on Friday, and easy peasy, week 7, you have an interactive lecture on Brighton Stratton College Career Services, and then you have your final discussion. And the lecture looked at those resources from the Career Services Department. We want you to address these following prompts. Upon graduation, describe some of the opportunities Career Service Department can help you in your new or existing career, and then share with the class your best moment in earning your degree and your most challenging or biggest obstacle, right? So 7.5, easy peasy lecture discussion, right? And so focus really on getting this final project done, and then make sure you get those final 2 discussions. Review the grade book. Make sure you don't have any zeros in there, and go back and submit if you do. All right. Have a great week, everyone.